Higgsfield, we proudly offer unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year to unleash your creativity like never before.
Now we can create incredibly high-quality images with just a few clicks. And the best part? We can even take those images and instantly turn them into smooth, cinematic videos. The level of creativity and detail we can achieve now is truly amazing. Just search for Higgsfield on Google, and you'll find their official website. From there, you can access the Google Nano Banana Pro features, including up to 1 year of unlimited usage. It's fast, simple, and incredibly powerful. Here, we can also explore all their pricing options and the full list of features they provide. And honestly, it's actually very affordable. When you compare the quality, the tools, and the unlimited access you get for a whole year, the price feels incredibly cheap for what it offers. It's a great deal for anyone who wants high-end AI tools without spending too much. Okay, let's dive into how Nano Banana Pro actually helps us create those stunning, high-quality images. This AI tool doesn't just generate basic pictures. It understands textures, lighting, and detail, producing visuals that look almost like professional photography or digital artwork. With Pro, you're not limited to simple or blurry images. Instead, you get crystal clear, high-definition results that can rival real photographs or high-end 3D renderings. And when you throw in powerful prompts, Nano Banana Pro really shines, building complex scenes, realistic characters, and photo-quality environments, all with just a few inputs, clicks. In fact, Nano Banana Pro can generate images that look just like the real world. Every detail, from textures and lighting to realistic colors and depth, is captured perfectly. It's not just AI-generated art. These images could easily be mistaken for real photographs. Whether it's landscapes, objects, or people, the results are incredibly lifelike, giving you high-quality visuals that feel like they came straight from a professional camera. And the best part is, we can take these incredibly realistic images and convert them into professional-quality videos using Higgsfield AI. With just a few clicks, your static images come to life with motion, transitions, and cinematic effects, transforming simple visuals into engaging, high-quality video content. This season, we have unlimited access to generate images in stunning 2K resolution for free. So don't wait. Hurry and get yourself registered with Higgsfield AI to take full advantage of this amazing opportunity. Just look at this image. It's unbelievably accurate, almost indistinguishable from a real photograph. Every detail, every shadow and highlight is so precise that it feels like it was captured by a professional camera. And the most incredible part? This isn't a real photo at all. It was entirely generated by AI. It's amazing how far AI technology has come, turning imagination into visuals that feel completely real. If you want to copy an action or pose from one image to another, Google AI Pro is now the most accurate tool for the job. It can replicate movements, expressions, and positions perfectly, making your images look seamless and incredibly realistic. Let's take a closer look at this image and see just how realistic it is. Every detail, from the lighting and textures to the smallest elements in the scene, looks incredibly lifelike. It's hard to believe this was entirely generated by AI. It truly feels like a real photograph. And the exciting part is, we can take this incredibly realistic image and turn it into a full video. Using AI tools like Higgsfield, these static visuals can come to life with motion, transitions, and cinematic effects, creating professional quality videos in just a few simple steps. Even if we start with low-quality images, we can regenerate or enhance them to achieve stunning, high-resolution results. AI tools can sharpen details, improve colors, and add clarity, turning ordinary or blurry images into professional quality visuals. When we enhance images, we can see them being upscaled to the exact size we need. The AI preserves all the details, sharpness, and quality. So even when the image is enlarged, it looks crisp, clear, and professional, perfect for videos, presentations, or any project that demands high-resolution visuals. By using carefully crafted and enhanced prompts, we can create truly stunning images with Google AI Pro. The more detailed and precise the prompt, the better the AI can understand exactly what we want. This means we can control everything from composition and lighting to textures and mood, resulting in visuals that are not only realistic, but also highly creative. With the right prompts, even complex scenes or imaginative concepts come to life, giving us professional quality images every time. Once we have high-quality images, creating high-quality videos becomes much easier. The detailed visuals provide a strong foundation, allowing AI tools to smoothly animate scenes, add transitions, and produce cinematic effects. With sharp, realistic images as the base, the resulting videos look professional and visually stunning with minimal effort. Nano Banana Pro offers truly unbelievable possibilities. If you've ever dreamed of creating anything from scratch, now you can bring your ideas to life in stunning, ultra-high quality. Whether it's detailed images, realistic characters, or fully animated videos, this AI tool can transform your imagination into professional-grade visuals. Every texture, every detail, and every movement can be generated with precision, giving you the power to create content that looks like it came straight from a top studio, all with just a few clicks. But this incredible offer won't last forever. Don't miss your chance. Grab it now using the links below and start creating ultra-high quality images and videos today. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your time, and we'll see you again soon with more amazing AI tips and creations.